Alrighty, welcome back. As you can see, we're on a little bit of a different angle now, and I got my mic set up. I got my adapter and everything for my computer, so I got to plug in basically all my stuff, my mouse, um, my mic, as you can see, and then obviously the camera. Obviously, you can't see that because that's what you're looking through. But, anyways, we're gonna get right into today's trade, and yeah, let's have a good session. I'm feeling good. So you guys know I always keep it real with you. I took a loss today, $500 loss sorry, $600 because, well, it averaged to about 570, something like that. But yeah, so small loss, still up from last week's profits. And yeah, like I said, I always keep it real with you. I'm gonna be honest with you, like, I feel super motivated recently. Like, I'm feeling really good about the coming future within the next year or two for sure. I'm feeling really good about everything. I think it's super solid. Just everything that I planned for myself, enjoy both. And yeah, I don't know. I'm super hyped about everything that's coming in the future. And I honestly, I hope all of you are as well. I hope you're here to enjoy it with me too. So yeah, anyways, let's get into the trade review. So starting off here on the 15-minute time frame, as you can see, I have my highs and lows marked out. It is Monday, so Sunday market open was right here, I think. Yeah, it was right here at this 15-minute candle. So pretty much from here on was, all of Sunday and early Monday market. So here's the thing, is there wasn't any big news today. It was just the FOMC member speaking, which I wouldn't consider that big news at all. Like not even a little bit. Because it was a yellow folder, so it wasn't even high impact news or anything like that along those lines. So, but the thing is like I just wasn't going into the early morning, like literally market opened and we made this huge move. First of all, we have our 15-minute highs and our 15-minute lows, but it wasn't very big. We only had about like 80 points to work with, 50 points to work with, never mind. So there wasn't really much room in the early morning. I wanted to see this get this place through and possibly come down and take these lows, to possibly take these lows over here in this area, like, or even these lows here, like right here. I was hoping to see that, which we did not get in the morning, as you can see. So we literally came in market open, and literally first candle open, I mean, we just absolutely shot. Like we shot up like crazy. So I was on the 2-minute chart. I did have it. I had both charts up. I had the 5-minute. I had the 5-minute and the what's it called? And the 2-minute up, and I was switching between the 2-minute and the 1-minute on this side. So I was looking at both. One of the main things that I was looking for this morning, I knew we were bullish, so my bias was right. We were bullish. So I was right about that, but I didn't realize how bullish we were going to be today, because if you come over here and we come on the 4-hour time frame, or actually, no, let's go to the daily chart over here. As you can see, we had a market structure shift on the daily chart over here. So I'm assuming we're going to continue to be bullish for a while. And we actually did come in here and fill this 1-day fair value gap right here in the in Friday's session. So I'll definitely keep out for some more bullish looks. Now, coming into the 4-hour, we also filled this perfectly. Like, we tapped into it, we wicked it barely, we came into it. I mean, that was really solid. So, like I said, overall bullish for the day, 100%. No reason for us to be bearish at all. The only reason that I did take shorts today was because, now let me show you. So usually when we have this amount of movement, there's not much for the rest of the day. Obviously, I've said that many times before, but I'm not catching the entire move. I'm only catching 20 to 30 points on average, which is about 12 to 1800 dollars profit with 3 contracts. So I'm not catching a lot compared to what, some people attempt to catch, or very, very advanced, I would say ICT traders catch, like, 60, 70 handles sometimes. So yeah, I'm not looking for that yet. I will one day, but right now that is not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for about 20 handles to 30 handles. And the one short, or the one long, I will say I should have taken in the morning, which looked solid, was this one here. But in perspective, we were literally about to take these highs right here. So 20 points, I mean, yes, 20 points would have definitely got me fired up at my entry there. And then, stops, 10-point stop loss like I always do. And catching 20 points, yes, I would have caught that, but in perspective, that's not really something you want to be able to catch, mainly for the fact that, look at this, we're already touching buy side. Like, we're already displacing through buy side when it created this fair value gap. So most people are going to think, oh, we're going to come back down and, probably break through this fair value gap, turns into an inverse. It's going to turn into something like this, and then boom, boom, and then displace down. So, that's, sorry, displace down after bouncing that. So that's what most people are going to look for. I was not really looking to take a long. We were already so close to buy side liquidity in the morning. So it just wasn't solid for me. And even on the 1 minute chart, like, none of these fair value gaps, I mean, there's literally like 6 of them got touched until we were already past buy side. So there wasn't really anything that looked super solid to me. Which is okay. It really happens. It happens to the best of us, I will say, 100%. So what I did see, though, was if you come over here and you take a look, there was a 2-minute market structure shift on this side over here. So if we come here and we just go like this, there was a 2-minute bearish market structure shift. There was, a 2-minute market structure shift. So I saw that. And I was really confident in that because, like I always say, my favorite entries, even if I don't get S&Ps, the highs or anything, I knew we displaced so much through these highs we had to most likely come back down. That didn't happen, as you can see. And I almost did hit my 20 points. I was, I think, about a point and a half away. Yeah, not even 2 points. How many points is this? I was 1.75 points away, which it's, it sucks, but I don't like to move my, I should have moved my stops into profit, but it's one of those things where I did that last time, and then I missed out on the full move because it came back, it like did something like this, and then I only got like, $400 profit instead of my full. I think I was almost going to catch 1,800 that time, so I'm trying to not to move my stops into profit so early, which, is something that, it's just that there's, I mean, everything with this whole trading thing is just a learning curve. You got to be willing to learn a lot. And so I'm learning every single day still, no matter what. I would say I'm doing better than most on the psychology side of things. I still have my strategy down very well. But I would say on the psychology side of things, I have an edge more than most. And that's not me bragging or anything, that's just my personal opinion and how I feel. Everyone's at a different stage, don't compare yourself to others. It is what it is. So, anyways, coming here, I saw the 2-minute market structure shift. We marked out our fair value gap. I mean, everything looked perfect, right? I didn't enter off of this first move. I waited because recently, what I've been seeing in the market a lot is we come into a market structure shift, we like to rebalance it twice. So most fair value gaps recently have been getting rebalanced multiple times. Usually about 2 to 3 times max, and order blocks as well. So yeah, once I saw that, I came in here and I was looking for shorts, and then I put, my entry point was right at the bottom of the fair value gap, so I apologize. I missed out by 4 points, which is still pretty sucky, but it's fine. We'll live. Anyways, so this is where I got filled right here. And, I'm thinking, on this candle right here, we got filled, everything looked great. I'm thinking, this is going to go my way, blah, 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 and I'm not going to move stops in profit yet. I had stops right about here, right above this fair value gap zone right here, because there is like a tiny fair value gap. Probably, I think there was a 1 minute there actually. Yeah, there was a 1 minute there, so I put my stops above that, which was right about 9.25 point stop loss, and that's just where I got hit. And it's one of those things where I honestly should have trusted my gut in the early morning of not taking a trade, because I knew once we had something like this, the market was probably not going to move fully. So this is one of my bad days where I kind of just got a little greedy off of a nice, $1,200 one on Friday. I think I just got a little too in my head about things, which is okay. It happens. I mean, but like I always tell you guys, there's a positive side to everything. The one thing I will say I'm happy about though is I haven't had that thought in for pretty much forever. Like really, like I haven't had that kind of urge to make try to make money in this and this in a while, which has been nice. And another thing I could have looked out for was the bounce of this 5-minute fair value gap right here. We kept bouncing off of that multiple times. So that was definitely something I should have considered, which I was considering for sure. I just thought there was a possibility that we would break through it because of the major bullish structure in the morning, which we didn't, which is 100% okay. Things like that happen all the time. And yeah, it was just one of those days where I got in my head, and you can't really do that in this game because it's tough. Once you get in your head is when things start to really go wrong. But hey, it is what it is. And as you can see, the market didn't do anything after the morning push. The rest of the day, there wasn't anything special. I don't think I didn't even, after this, I just kind of closed my charts and I was done because I didn't want to, see things that weren't actually there. And all the things that I tell you guys not to do is what I did today. So, it is what it is. It's a learning lesson for sure. But yeah, so I think also, actually, hold on. I wanted to ask you guys. So I don't know if, I'm pretty sure I mentioned before that I will be doing a Discord group starting next week. Probably, next week. And I was just wanting to get your guys' opinion on some of the stuff you guys might want to see. Obviously, I'm going to be doing live trading. I'm going to be doing charting sessions, and I want you guys to be able to, if you guys would like to join, things you want to see in there. If you want me to go over how to train your psychology, how to better your everyday life for trading, and involve everything else that goes on in your life, and relate it to trading. So if you guys do want something like that, feel free to leave it down in the comments below, or when you guys do join the Discord, just ask me. I'll be going live twice a day there, so besides nights that I work, it'll be a little bit later, because I will be working during the summertime, night shifts, so please do not hate on me for that, or I might go live a little before work around the afternoon time instead of the evening. I'll figure it out. I'll let you guys know. I'll probably post a schedule in there. So yeah, with that, I hope everyone had a wonderful trading day, whether you won or lost. I hope you learned something, and I hope you guys have are having a good night tonight. Enjoy your Mondays. For most of us, I'm sure school is almost over. This is my last week of high school ever. So wish me luck. But with that, I hope everyone had a wonderful night, and I will see you on the charts tomorrow. Peace.